If your earbuds are not connecting to your iPhone, then there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to fix that. So let's get started. Firstly, ensure that both your earbuds and the charging case have enough battery. Low battery levels can affect connectivity. After that, make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone. You can check this by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen to open Control Center and verifying the Bluetooth icon is blue. Then simply put earbuds in the case and restart. Place both earbuds in the charging case and close the lid. Wait for about 30 seconds, then open the lid. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes amber a few times, then flashes white. This resets the earbuds and may resolve connectivity issues. After that, ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve connectivity issues. So that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve most connectivity issues between your earbuds and iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.